Bruh, I really gotta get that fixed. I do not know why my lights are not working. But on the other hand, good morning, good afternoon. On not this beautiful day in Georgia. It's hot as hell. But let's get to the real video. We're gonna be changing out my spark plugs. Do you know how much they wanted to fucking charge me to change my spark plugs? Sorry, YouTube. Sorry about that. They wanted to charge me $250 without my spark plugs, just in labor. And then my spark plugs are like 156 bucks. But I'm gonna show you how to do this at your house, in the comfort of your home, and to save yourself $400. Let's go. You're gonna want to remove this one, and this one right here. Alright, so in the manifold itself, there are 8 bolts. They're right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me see if I can get you a better angle. I had to bust this motherfucker out because it's hot. It's so hot, bro. The humidity, bro. I'm really dying out here for you guys. But let's get it. Alright, so when you take all that out, you pull it up. Don't be scared. I want to go ahead and put one of the new spark plugs in there and then repeat for all of them. Why are you trying to act all professional? That's funny.